Okay. So I actually love negative comments. I'm going to be a bit controversial because it's certain types of negative comments. Let me sort of qualify that. I like negative comments where it's an objection that might be going on in somebody's head, but they're not brave enough to articulate, in which case this is a great opportunity to address someone's kind of issues. Greg's saying every ad that he runs is like that. So there are obviously we all know there's trolls, right?
Yes.
So so it depends on is the negative comment an objection that other people might be thinking, and is this an opportunity to go, hey, you know what, I'm really glad you mentioned that. Here's how we kind of get around it, and I can really turn around some negative comments to combat people's objections that they're already thinking, and they go, oh, great, all right, I didn't think about that. Yeah, that's awesome. These guys are awesome, right? Yeah. As opposed to a negative comment that's just somebody who's just a troll and it's completely unrelated and blah, blah, blah. In which case, hide, block, see you later. Okay. Ban from page. Yeah. I just get rid of them.